In conclusion, the Honda Fit is a testament to the fact that good things come in small packages. This compact car has managed to carve out a significant niche for itself in the automotive world, proving that you don't need a large vehicle to make a big impact. Its design is both sleek and functional, making it a perfect fit for urban environments where space is at a premium. It's a car that excels in all the areas that matter most to everyday drivers: practicality, efficiency, reliability, and value. The Honda Fit's fuel efficiency is particularly noteworthy, allowing drivers to save money on gas while reducing their environmental footprint. Inside, the car offers a surprising amount of space with versatile seating arrangements that can accommodate both passengers and cargo with ease. The modern features, including advanced infotainment systems and safety technologies, make every drive enjoyable and secure. Whether you're a student looking for your first car, the Honda Fit offers an affordable yet stylish option that won't break the bank. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver and park, even in the tightest of spots, which is a huge advantage for those navigating busy college campuses or city streets. A family in need of a second vehicle, the Honda Fit provides the perfect balance of space and efficiency. Its roomy interior can comfortably fit child seats and groceries, making it an ideal choice for running errands or weekend getaways. The car's reliability ensures that it will be a dependable addition to any household, or just someone who appreciates a well-designed and engineered machine. The Honda Fit stands out with its attention to detail and quality craftsmanship. The engine is both powerful and efficient, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. The dashboard is intuitively designed, putting all the controls within easy reach and making the driving experience more enjoyable. The Honda Fit deserves a spot on your shopping list. Its combination of affordability, efficiency, and versatility makes it a standout choice in the crowded compact car market. Whether you're buying new or used, the Honda Fit offers great value for your money. So the next time you're in the market for a new car, take the time to test drive a Honda Fit. You'll likely be impressed by its performance and the thoughtful design features that make it such a practical choice. The car's compact size doesn't compromise its ability to deliver a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. Don't overlook this little giant. Despite its small stature, the Honda Fit holds its own against larger vehicles, offering a driving experience that is both fun and functional. Its ability to navigate through traffic with ease and fit into tight parking spaces makes it a standout in urban settings. You might be surprised at just how much it fits into your life. From daily commutes to weekend adventures, the Honda Fit is designed to adapt to your needs. Its versatility and reliability make it a car that you can depend on, no matter where the road takes you. So consider the Honda Fit for your next vehicle and experience the big impact of this small car.